If you're seeing a Mailchimp error log and you want to fix it fast, this video will walk you through the most important checks step by step. We're going to look at API keys, account settings, integrations, spreadsheet cleanup, and Mailchimp's own status page so you can narrow down the cause and get things working again. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes and step-by-step guides. First, let's check your API keys. Open Mailchimp and go to the top right corner of your dashboard. Click your profile icon, then select Account and Billing from the menu. This is where Mailchimp keeps your account-wide settings and security-related tools. Once you're inside Account and Billing, click the Extras tab. In that section, choose API keys. This will open the page that lists your Mailchimp API keys. Now take a careful look at the keys that are already active. If something was recently changed, expired, or copied incorrectly, it can cause connection problems and errors in the log. Make sure the correct API key is being used by any connected tools or automations. If you don't recognize a key or you think a connection is outdated, that is a sign you may need to regenerate or reconnect the service using the correct credentials. Next, clean your contact sheet if you're importing or syncing contacts from Excel. A lot of Mailchimp issues happen because the source data looks fine at first glance, but actually contains hidden problems. Check for hidden blank spaces at the start or end of text fields and remove them. Also make sure every email address is formatted correctly. One of the most common errors is a missing @ symbol in the email field, so scan the sheet carefully and fix any invalid addresses before uploading. Even one bad email format can trigger errors and stop a clean import. If you're using an external builder or website platform like Squarespace, the next step is to reset the integration. Go back to Mailchimp, click on Integrations, and then click Manage. Find the connected service and disconnect it. After that, reconnect it again so the link can refresh properly. Sometimes integrations become stale, permissions get out of sync, or data stops passing correctly, and disconnecting and reconnecting is the fastest way to fix that. After that, open a new tab and go to status.mailchimp.com. This is Mailchimp's official status page, and it's one of the best places to check whether the problem is on your side or theirs. Look for any outages, incidents, or degraded services that might be affecting API access, syncing, campaigns, or log activity. If Mailchimp is experiencing an issue, you may need to wait until their systems are back to normal before troubleshooting further. So in short, start by checking your API keys, then review your account settings, clean your contact data, reset any integrations, and finally check Mailchimp's status page. Following these steps will help you identify the most common causes of Mailchimp error logs much faster. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.